In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund ElevenLabs. Whether you've had a change of heart, received an incorrect charge, or faced an issue with your purchase, the process we'll cover today will guide you to reclaim your funds smoothly and efficiently. Let's get started by opening your web browser. You can use any browser you prefer, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. The key here is to have a reliable internet connection to ensure the process goes seamlessly. Once you've got your browser up and running, you're ready for the next step. Now, go ahead and search for ElevenLabs in the search bar. This will bring up their official website. Click on the appropriate link to access their homepage. Once you're there, it's time to log in. Look for the Login button typically located at the top right corner of the desktop page. You'll need your login credentials, so have those ready. This typically includes your email and the password you set up when you registered your account. After successfully logging in, you're going to want to locate the Talk to I section. This feature is designed to connect you directly with their call support team. Depending on the layout of their site, you might find it as a prominent feature or under a Support or Help section. This step is crucial because speaking directly with a representative allows you to explain your situation more clearly and personally. Once you're connected to the call support team, it's time to state your request and provide the necessary reasons for your refund. Be clear and concise about why you're asking for your money back. Whether it's due to a service issue or a mistaken charge, explaining your situation thoroughly will help the representative understand your case better. At this point, it's also essential to mention any preferences you might have regarding how you'd like the refund issued. For example, if you want the amount credited back to your credit card, make sure to let them know during this part of the conversation. And there you have it, a straightforward, step-by-step guide to requesting a refund from ElevenLabs. Remember, politeness and clear communication are key in ensuring the process moves along without a hitch. Whether or not you receive the refund might depend on specific circumstances, but articulating your request effectively will give you the best chance of achieving the desired outcome. Hopefully, this guide helps you navigate the refund process with confidence. Thanks for joining me today, and good luck with your refund request. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for more help. Until next time, take care.